A very good morning, hope you all had a great evening. Just getting into what's happened so far here in the European morning session, and it's been focused on the GDP numbers coming out of the various Eurozone nations. The actual final Eurozone number came in at flat on both the quarter-on-quarter and the year-on-year reading, so it was slightly better than expected, which has boosted sentiment somewhat heading toward the North American Open. A lot of this seems to have been buoyed by the fact that the first German number came in a lot stronger than expected. That was at 0.5%. Analysts were only looking for a 0.1 increase. But elsewhere, France came in at 0, so relative stagnation there in their economy, but continued weakness was observed in the periphery. Italy in particular came in at a contraction in Q1 of 0.8%, which was below analysts' expectations. So a little bit of a three-tiered recovery or three-speed recovery ongoing, it appears, in Europe at the moment, between that of the Germans at the top of the pile and France in the middle, and the likes of Greece, Ireland and Portugal flagging somewhat in third place. Taking a look at what this has meant for the markets, though, the fact that the German number managed to lift the overall Eurozone, coupled with a comment that has moved the market today from a source in terms of the Greek government as saying that they will pay their debt redemption due today of around 435 million euros, has lifted the euro currency in the FX markets, and equities generally seen a little higher here ahead of the US session. Moving forward then, in terms of speakers coming out of Europe, here's the ECOFIN today in Brussels. Something to be aware of in case we see of any comments, particularly on the Greek situation. And then with the political heads, they are meeting once again in Athens. That's due to take place shortly at midday London. The calendar for US data is pretty busy once again. We'll have CPI data, advanced retail sales, Empire manufacturing, as well as the TICS data, all to come. That pretty much concludes the opening wrap from here in London. So for the time being, enjoy your trading day.